From birth, Janine and Andrea Sammartano could not see the world clearly. They were born with a genetic condition called ptosis, where the muscles that lift the eyelids don't develop properly, causing them to droop. Several reconstructive surgeries failed, and their mother almost gave up hope. But now, thanks to a specialist here in the city, no one asks the girls if they're tired or sleepy anymore.
Our lids were so low, we had to always lift our heads to see people. Now, we could see straight in front of you or just look up. We always had to keep our necks up.
Janine is 16 years old, and her sister Andrea is 13. They say they had pretty normal childhoods before the surgery, but every now and then they were teased by their peers.
In kindergarten, I didn't tell some kid my name, and they called me Sleepy Eyes.
Both girls were operated on in late December, but it took some time to see the results of the oculoplastic surgery.
As the days went on, their eyes were getting bigger and bigger, and they couldn't even open their eyes to be surprised. It's like when you're surprised and you open your eyes, they couldn't even do that. Now that's all they do. Mine.
The surgery was performed by Dr. Amiya Prasad, a specialist here at Brookdale Hospital. He says that even though the girls had severe cases of ptosis, he was confident that he'd be able to improve their vision and appearance.
So that's one of the most common operations I perform, is to place the muscle back to where they belong and their eyes are able to open.
The Sammartano sisters were lucky to find Dr. Prasad. He's one of about 300 oculoplastic surgeons in the world. In New York City, there are a little less than 24. The girls spotted him on a local cable show and called him for a consultation. The doctor says he was very moved by their plight.
They were just miserable. They just could not see, and you can imagine it's like a window shade being pulled down over the eyes. So it really affected their vision a lot.
Both girls have normal vision now and normal aspirations. Andrea wants to be an actress when she grows up, and Janine dreams of marrying Knicks guard John Starks. But whatever the sisters decide to do, they now face the future with confidence.
There's not enough words to express how we feel about him.
What is he?
He's our miracle man.
In Brooklyn, Cheryl Wills, New York 1.
Now here's a look at